Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's see about the world famous Meenakshi temple located at Madurai in Tamil Nadu. First, we will discuss about who is Meenakshi. There is no evident proof for this question, but the Puranas of Tamil people have many divergent views regarding this. We will see about the most prevailing stories. In ancient Madurai, around 4th century, there lived a Pandya king named Malayadwaja and a queen named Kanchanamale. The royal couple had no children for many years. They started praying God, and suddenly on one fine day Lord Indra appeared before them and asked them to perform one yajna for their long awaited wish to happen. The couple performed the yajna, and there appeared a 3-year-old girl with 3 breasts, the so-called Meenakshi. Even though the royal couple was happy, they were disappointed due to the child's abnormality. To support this point, there is a statue of triple-breasted Meenakshi in Pudu Mandapam at Madurai even now. Then the royal couple heard a divine voice saying, "Do not get worried. As the child grew up and when she see the man for her, the abnormality would disappear." Days and years get past. The king teached Meenakshi with all warfares, and she was crowned as princess. She started to annex many territories from down south to north. While going towards north, she went to Kailash, Lord Shiva's kingdom. When she saw Lord Shiva, she felt shy and her 3rd breast got vanished. She fell in love with Lord Shiva and she got married to Lord Shiva at Madurai. This marriage ceremony is being celebrated at Madurai till date in the name of Meenakshi Thirukalyanam, where lakhs and lakhs of people gather to watch the marriage ceremony. Now we'll see about the construction of temple. The temple was built by King Kulashekara Pandya. In 14th century, armies of Delhi Sultanate led by Muslim commander Malik Kafur looted the temple's valuable gems, jewels and destroyed the temple partially. The temple was renovated by various kings belonging to various kingdoms like Vijayanagar kingdom and later by Nayak kingdom. The contemporary temple was built by King Thirumalai Nayak. Here are some interesting and astonishing facts of Meenakshi temple. The temple's total area is about 14 to 15 acres. The statue of Meenakshi is fully made of emerald. The ancient temple complex was open. The courtyard walls were added over time due to the invasions that had occurred previously. The temple has 4 9-storied gopuras. The south gopura is the tallest out of these. The gopuram near the Ganesha shrine is exactly at the middle of the both deities' shrine. Each gopura were built by various kings lived at various time period. The tallest southern gopuram has the shrine of goddess Meenakshi facing east, thus depicting the priority for goddess Meenakshi. There are many mandapams in the temple. In that, Ayirangal Mandapam fascinates every people. It has 985 pillars, out of which some pillars gives out some sound when it gets vibrated. Meenakshi temple is considered as one of the wonders in the world, yet not one among the 7 wonders of the world. Till now, the temple attracts many people around the world for its architecture and sculpture. Hope you enjoy this video. Please give thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Get ready. Thank you.